Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back another video. So in this video I am going to talk about Victory Day. Actually, you know that today is 16th December and today is our Victory Day. In Bangladesh, we enjoy this day as a victory. So today is a red letter day of Bangla history. You know, today is 16th December, and on this day in 1971, we achieved our independence. Uh, before that, Bangladeshi was a part of mainland of Pakistan. The ruler of Pakistan tortures us many ways. Against that, Bangladeshi people protect them and sacrifice their lives to get independence. After 9 month liberation war, we achieved our final victory on 16th December. That is why it is a special day for us. The day of Bangladesh couldn't forget the contribution of those real heroes who sacrifices their lives. We should respect them, and especially from my side, I respect them, and I notice them salam from my deep heart because we enjoy, and we can say that Bangladesh is a day, Bangladesh is a country. It is only possible by their sacrifices. Without their sacrifices, we cannot get the victory, and we cannot get independence. So their contribution never be forgettable. So I respect them, and I respect their family from my heart and deep soul. For the time being, no more now. Allah Hafiz.